In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add credit cards to Rocketmoney. Linking your credit cards to the Rocketmoney app helps it automatically track balances and transactions, so your budgets, spending insights, and reminders stay accurate without manual updates. All you'll need is your mobile device with the app installed and an internet connection. Start by opening the Rocketmoney app on your phone or tablet. From the main screen, look for the settings gear icon, which is typically in the upper left, though layouts can vary slightly between devices. Tap the gear to open the settings menu, then choose the option labeled linked accounts. This is where all your connected banks and cards are managed. Inside linked accounts, tap the button that says add institution. Depending on your version, it might appear as add account or add institution. They all take you to the same place. A search bar will appear. Type the name of the bank or card issuer for the credit card you want to connect, such as Chase or American Express, and wait for the results to populate. When you see the correct institution, select it to proceed. You'll be taken to a secure login interface where you authenticate with your bank. This may be presented by a trusted connectivity provider within the app. Follow the prompts to sign in securely and be prepared to complete any identity checks, like a one-time code if your bank requires it. This connection is read only and is designed to safely import your balances and transactions. After you're authenticated, you may see a list of accounts available at that institution. Choose the specific credit card account or accounts you want to link. If more than one appears, you can select only the ones you want to track in Rocketmoney. Once you confirm, the app begins syncing. The first sync can take a little time while it imports your history. Sometimes it's quick, other times it can take up to 24 to 48 hours for all transactions to appear, especially if the institution is processing a larger data set. Keeping a stable internet connection helps, and it's normal if you don't see everything immediately. When syncing is complete, return to linked accounts and you'll see your credit card listed there. You can tap into it to view balances and recent activity as it becomes available, and Rocketmoney will keep things updated automatically going forward. That's all you need to add your credit cards to Rocketmoney. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with automatic, accurate tracking.